So now you have this nice assembly of a bridge with all its parts assembled. Everything's constrained, it's ready to go. Let's get it on a drawing sheet so that we can share this either by printing it out or sending the drawing sheet along. So the easiest way is to go to File, New, and Drawing, and up it will pop. So right now we have a huge sheet. That's the default. Okay, we want to change that to something that will fit in our printer. So for us, we're going to right click on sheet 1, click Edit Sheet, and we are going to choose from this drop down menu letter A, which is 8.5 by 11. You can actually see it right there. It says the correct size. Click OK. Now you can either choose to keep this title block or get rid of it. Since we're just putting one assembly on here, we're going to keep it, and we're going to annotate it and go to text and call this bridge assembly. And then we can put our name and period number, all kinds of things. Okay, and you can see it shows up. All right, so the first thing we need to do is go to place views. So let's place our base. Now we don't want the front view, we want the isometric view. So we're going to click our home screen here, and it's going to rotate it. So right now it has a scale of 0.15 inches to 1 foot. We want to make that much different from that, actually to 1 inch. So let's change it, make it a little bit bigger. We'll go 0.3, and yeah, that looks better. Okay, click out of there, and it's placing it. It's a little off, so I'm going to recenter it, move it to where it looks good for me. And let's put some dimensions on it, okay? Because this looks good, but we need dimensions. Let's go back to annotate, click on the dimension tool, and we're going to have to do some scrolling in to see this a little bit better. So I'm going to start with this little point here and go to the outside point, pull out 22 inches. That's what I expected. Click OK. And then we're going to scroll in towards the top a little bit, and dimension tool. We'll do the outside top, and that's 18 inches. Click OK. Let's see. Let's move this up a little bit. There we go. Let's do the outside dimensions here. So dimension, we'll do this outside corner to this outside corner. And OK. And then let's do the height. So here to here. And got that. Click OK. And let's recenter our drawing. Let's do one more up here. Let's do dimension from here to here, so the inside. So that's 4 inches. Click OK. All right, and let's see how we look. So that looks pretty good. Everything's showing on the page. You can still move this around by clicking on it and then moving the whole thing, but I'm pretty happy with how it looks. There's lots of information you can put on here, including, you know, who checked it, when it was approved, more in the title box. It does show the scale down here, which is nice. If you have more than one sheet, you can do that. This is sheet 1 of 1. But now I can save this and print it out, and it's a great way to submit it because it's got the full view of it. It's 3-dimensional. It's got the full assembly and all your measurements. So this would be a great thing to start your bridge construction with in terms of having a drawing. So hopefully that helps.